Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Lori.
And welcome to 12th Avenue Cuisine.
Well, tonight, Bill and I decided we'll have a glass of wine, and I decided we should have an appetizer pizza with it. So this is going to be a cheddar, bacon, and apple. Very classic flavors and combination that goes well together. Should pair well with our wine. This is a sauceless pizza.
And this will be the first recipe that we've made from the Ooni Cooking with Fire recipe book. So we're excited about that. And also tonight, over here, you should see some beautiful images of some tasty work Thomas Atta from Australia did using his uni, and there's a great looking dessert which we think might be a pavlova, but we're going to highlight his work tonight. And Thomas is also the one who put us on to the Biga recipe from Kitchen and Craft. And if you'd like to share some of your work with us, we'd be happy to highlight it in one of our upcoming videos. Just reach out to me through a comment, or Lori through a comment below, and we'll work out a way to get your images.
So I already grated a cup of cheddar cheese, and I pre-cooked the bacon just slightly to get rid of some of the oil. And they said to use the one apple, but I have a lot more apple left, so I don't know if I really needed this much. My pizza's a little bit smaller than I thought it might.
And from a heat management perspective, we had the oven on high for 20 minutes. I just turned it down before I reached for the peel.
Oh, you remembered
Because I've been
ahead
having a
of
problem remembering to turn it down.
a brain fart every time. Okay. Oops.
Okay, it moves.
Okay.
And we're doing our standard launch with the wooden peel. And then I'm going to turn with the 14-inch Ooni peel. And this is a Biga, right?
This is the Biga dough
This is the Biga.
from Kitchen and Craft. That's starting to rise up.
Yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in and give it a whirl.
It smells great.
Yeah, I mean, we've only made a couple of pizzas without a pizza sauce,
Right.
but the ones we made were really good. So
Yeah. Our Philly cheesesteak pizza.
That was a good one.
really a good one. Uh-oh.
that's okay. We're gonna go with it. Just a little bubble in there.
Big bubble.
Yeah, and I left the pork inside, but that's okay. We'll
Oh, that looks good.
do you think we're done?
I think the apples need a little bit more time. So
Okay. And again, I was doing so good, but
I
Lori
think
makes me put it back in.
I think we could turn it down or turn it to ultra low, maybe.
Well,
Just a little bit more, not too much. Okay, I guess before it burns.
okay. So here we go. That looks very good. Would you like to move that down?
I'll
and,
relocate that. I was
yes.
forgot my responsibilities.
We don't rehearse these, so Lori forgot to move things around. Boy, that looks like a nice pizza.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And it smells wonderful.
Okay, we'll set it there. I'm going to turn off the oven.
Okay.
We're only doing one pizza.
Everything smells great that
Cheers.
has bacon on it, don't you think?
Yeah, it does. Oh boy, that looks really nice. We're really becoming big fans of the Biga dough. Thanks again, Thomas. Really appreciate you putting us onto that. What do you think? Should we cut it?
Yep. Let's do.
Well, we'll just set that over here. Mm-hmm. And then we'll use our Ooni rocker blade. All right. It's hot. Let me get a little, well, I guess all our towels are, oh, you have one there. Okay, great. And,
you first?
yeah. Me first. Okay, yeah. What I wanted to do is
Just hold it up to the camera.
see if I can. Boy, that's nice. That cheese looks hot. The bacon looks hot. The apple looks hot. But let me go for it. Mmm. That's good, huh?
It is. The little tartness from the apple goes great with the bacon and the cheese.
Wow. Well, I think for our first recipe out of the Ooni Cooking with Fire book, combined with the Biga dough, the Kitchen and Craft Biga recipe, which Thomas put us onto, I think we hit a home run, and we didn't.
You didn't burn it.
We didn't burn it. So okay.
Bill, thank you for turning the oven down.
Yeah, that's a key component. All right, anything you want to say here?
No, you've got to try this appetizer with or without a glass of wine.
Yeah, it's very tasty. So
Oh, let's see how it pairs.
okay.
That's good. Oh, that goes great with bacon. It's a Sauvignon Blanc, and you're having a Côte d'Aron. How does that work?
It works very nicely. All right, well, if you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up. As always, we welcome new subscribers. What drives the channel are your comments and questions. And again, if you like the feature that we did tonight, highlighting Thomas Atta's work, some beautiful pizza there and focaccia.
And his pavlova, raspberry, and I think pistachios. That looked
looked fantastic. If you'd like to participate and send us some of your work, again, put something in the comments and we can get together, figure out a way to get your images here, and then we can put them into a future video. Other than that, thank you.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Next time.